So the sandwiches are in the oven, and now we can make the salad, okay? First, we're going to take some of the arugula, same arugula we used for the sandwich, about 2 cups, which is a couple of good handfuls, a little bit more. Arugula is good stuff, okay? Then we're going to add in some radicchio. So let me cut up a little bit of this. Radicchio is some red lettuce amazingness. I like having color in salads. To me, color makes all the difference. So I love how radicchio adds so much color. And you can it comes out in big circles. You can kind of separate it so it's easier to get on your fork. I'd say probably, depends on how big the head of the radicchio is. This is a relatively big one, so I'm going to use about half of it, but a smaller head you might end up using the whole thing. And then an endive. This is an endive. It looks kind of like a little Nerf football. I'll cut off the end part so we don't get any of that. And then I like to keep it in these bigger pieces. That one's kind of big. I might cut these in half. These are a little bit bigger. So I'll take off a few of these leaves. And again, this is one of those things, sometimes they come bigger, sometimes they come smaller. This one's a little bit of a bigger one. So I'm going to cut it down the middle. Yeah, that's prettier. Cut it down the middle and sort of toss them in. And what's good about these is it comes out almost like a little boat. So when you have your dressing, it kind of pools in there and you get really good bites. Okay, a few more, I think. I'll cut these in half too because they're a little large. It all depends on, it's your own personal taste. If you really like endive, maybe you can add a little bit more. If you really like arugula, add a little bit more of that. But all 3 of them, the red, the green, and then this yellow and white, they go so well together. Okay, toss it up a little bit. Incorporate them all together. Okay, then I love to shave on some Parmesan cheese. So I have a wedge and just a vegetable peeler is what I like to use. And nice long strips, okay? Because it's always a great bite when you get the strip of Parmesan. I can just eat pieces of Parmesan right off the thing here. Okay. Really easy with the vegetable peeler. So once there's enough in there to your taste, the salad is ready to go. And now we will make our own homemade dressing.